Alright, well, it's probably obvious I haven't done anything on YouTube for quite a while. Facebook either. Kind of been sick for what seems about a month now, so between that and a few other things, kind of just lost interest altogether. Trying to get back into the mode of getting some work done and putting off a few jobs, waiting until I got feeling a little bit better, but got to get the ball rolling. So what better time to start than now on actually cleaning out my box truck. I'm going to show you exactly what I got going on inside here. It's actually pretty interesting. So I got a lot of cleaning, organizing, stuff like that to do. So going to be a little bit of a boring video, but it is what it is. I got to start somewhere. So I'm going to crack this open, show you what's inside, and hopefully by the end of the video, we'll be making some pretty good stuff. So get going. Alright, so for a large part of my professional career, I've done graphic design and vehicle wraps, signage, things like that. So this box truck is my mobile shop for doing that. So as you can see, I've got a 52-inch plotter here. This workbench here actually houses a lot of my cut vinyl material. In the back there is all my wrap vinyl. And then right here is a huge mess of crap that I got in the way that I can't actually do work because of. One thing I have in front of me at the moment that I need to get out is I've got a couple decals to do for some friends, but shirts. I've also got the setup in the back to do heat press t-shirts, cad-cut, some people refer to it as. I've had a huge background since probably about 99, 2000, something like that, doing screen print and embroidery and different stuff like that for t-shirt production. So naturally I do whatever I can, production wise, to do shirts as well. So obviously you can't do screen print in something this small. I mean, maybe you could, but I do cad-cut, so I get the opportunity to do some hoodies and shirts and stuff like that for friends, for clients, for production stuff, whatever the case may be. So I got to get to that. So that means all of this stuff needs to pretty much come out of the trailer, or out of the box truck, excuse me, and go back in an organized way. So I can get that clear. So yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna post up the camera and time lapse away. So hopefully, again, by the end of this video, I'll have some pretty cool shirts to show you that will design and cut and press, and then do some decals, maybe some multicolor decals for some customers. So let's get going. organized as I feel like being right now. So I'm gonna waste my own time later and finish cleaning and organizing and finding spots for everything here. So that being said, I want to jump onto a shirt. So got the heat press warming up, kind of testing out the power strip. Gonna make sure that it can handle the amperage that's gonna, you know, the draw from the heating element here. Hook up my computer, get a graphic going, and then we'll get it cut and pressed. So let's kind of get rolling on that. So after a couple of minutes of running the heat press with the power strip, actually I'm defining that right there. It's kind of hard to see, it's a little dark in the truck here, but actually melting the 16 gauge extension cord. So I think I'm going to, well, for now I got a 12 gauge extension cord. I'm going to jump onto that. And I think moving forward after this, as soon as I can justify it, I think I'm going to pick up a generator and run everything out here off of a generator. Kind of try to mount it maybe underneath the deck of the truck here. That might be a little bit nicer. So we'll see if this hopefully fixes the problem. Now, one downside and one huge pet peeve of mine is that whoever had that extension cord before me clipped the ground wire. Don't clip the ground wire, that's just stupid. That's just stupid. So hopefully this will be better anyways for now, and then I gotta redo that terminal, replace it with one that actually has a ground prong on it. So we'll give this a shot. So that's the gist of it. Ourselves a nice new Squad Manufacturing t-shirt there. Looks pretty slick, like the design. And that's pretty much the joy of the truck here. So it's functional. I can work in here finally. Still a little bit of a mess, but print shirts and cut graphics and all that good stuff. So that's probably a fair bit of what I'll be up to in the future here. Keep doing metal fabrication, of course, along with a few other things, but kind of wanted to highlight that there's a lot more to what I am capable of doing than kind of getting stuck to one thing. So let me know if I can help you out with anything. Have a good one.